everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with my Birchbox October unboxing. So please stick around, we'll jump into that in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do all things makeup. I do upload 3 times a week, Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. And I would love, it would make such a big difference to me if you would please click the subscribe button. Without any more talk though, we're going to go ahead and jump into the box. I have been saying this for my past, I don't know how many Birchbox unboxings, but I am not the most impressed with what I get in Birchbox. This is a $15 a month, $12, somewhere right around in there a month. Beauty subscription box. It is mostly samples, travel size that you get in this box. However, I find it to be very hair care heavy. Even though I did fill out a quiz and said that I would prefer more makeup, I don't really want hair care. I use specific things on my hair. I do tend to get mostly hair, and that is no different in this month. So let's go ahead and jump into it. I do really like that they always include a card, not only with the information on the back, but with a cute little quote. So this is an affirmation that says, "Today I embrace what makes me beautifully unique and beautifully me." So I do really like that. I love the affirmation, certainly, especially if you're someone who does really well with that. It is a great thing to say on a daily basis to kind of help build that self-worth, build your confidence, and make you feel beautiful. Without any more talk, let's talk about the products. So the first product is a tear packet of conditioner. This is a Davies Day conditioner. A full size is $33. This helps soften, untangle hair without weighing it down. You leave on for 2 to 5 minutes. This is a tear packet. It is a one-use, as I drop it, a one-use product. Yeah, anyways, they did also include the pairing shampoo. And so this shampoo is gentle enough for daily use, leaves hair feeling light and shiny. Full size is $29. This is more than a one-time use, so I do appreciate that it's a little bigger size. I am disappointed by the conditioner. What the heck? I would like it to be similar, especially since I tend to, anyways, I'm not a big fan of the tear packet conditioner. Also, I don't like conditioners and shampoos in my beauty boxes. So there's that. I know I'm a little bit salty about this box already, which I hate. I apologize. My next product that I see is a very small sample of the Kiehl's Powerful Strength Dark Circle Reducing Vitamin C Eye Cream. Full size is $50. This is a very small size. It is 3 ml or 0.1 fluid ounce. It's supposed to help visibly smooth fine lines and crow's feet for a fresher, brighter looking eye. So certainly with vitamin C, that does help brighten your skin. It does help with wrinkles. So I do like the idea of this. I do think Kiehl's has a very good reputation. I have not used a lot of their products, so I will try it. I do think though, with such a small sample, although I know with eye cream you don't need a ton, it'd be a little bit hard to assess because I don't think you would get enough uses out of this to know, oh yes, I want to buy that eye cream because it really works. That's my opinion on that. Another hair care product. I do like that it's purple. Purple is my favorite color. This is the Orbi Feather Balm Weightless Styler. This is an ultralight formula that smooths, hydrates, and adds shine without weighing hair down. It is a styling product, so you use it after you wash your hair. It is $42 in size. I cannot tell if it is a thermal protected as well, or if it just helps hydrate your hair. That would make a big difference for me as to whether I really like this product or not. And for $42 for a full-size product, that's an expensive product. That's all I have to say about that. The next product in here is the Pure Lease Perfect Glow BB Cream in Fair. Full size is $30. This is a tinted BB cream that brightens and improves skin texture with a blend of antioxidants, and there is 30 SPF. I do love that it comes sealed, so I appreciate that. I am going to open it up and just see what the color looks like here on me. So we'll put just a little bit out on my hand there. I do really like that texture. It is very, very light coverage though. It is definitely a BB cream. You're not going to get a lot of coverage for it. And it does smell just like sunscreen. So I do like the feel of it though. The texture is very, very nice. I feel like, and this is my opinion, number one, I'm a little bit more coverage kind of girl. But also I think that this may be something that's better for the summer, especially with the SPF, versus the winter. But I do like overall the feel of it. I do think I like the idea of it having skincare benefits, those antioxidants in there to help while you wear it. I think that's great. The SPF built in is great, although you would need so much of this product to get the SPF consistently, and you would need to reapply. So certainly don't depend on this for your SPF, but I like it. It's not bad. My last product that I have in here is the Model & Co. Instant Brows Brow Pencil in Light Medium. And so let's take a look at this. I have not had it. Oh, I love that packaging. That hot pink packaging is beautiful. It is a teardrop shape. I don't know if you can see that, versus a small skinny pencil. And I will go ahead and swatch this. It doesn't swatch very well. It feels a little more waxy. But that's not bad. That color is not a bad color for me. I tend to like a pencil that it is a little finer, and then here is, I do like that it has a spoolie on the end, and that's a nice solid spoolie. It's not flimsy or anything like that, so you can kind of brush through your brows. I have not had a ton of good luck with Model & Co. What about you guys? I think I've tried a blush and a bronzer and something else from them, and it didn't go really well. I will absolutely try the brow pencil and see what I think about it. I do like that it is a good color for me. I do think brow products are super risky in subscription boxes just because matching brow color can be a little challenging. Like, you can't include a universal and just be one and done kind of thing. But not bad. So that's my Birchbox unboxing for the month. Lots and lots of hair care. 3 of my products are hair care. 1, just a little bit of a tear packet, and that's my dogs making an appearance in the video. So I do, they're crazy. Of course, not awful. Sad, sad, sad. Sad, sad, sad. I would have liked it to be a bottle so that I could at least reuse or use the rest of the product. Right now it's in a tear packet. That's kind of a once and done thing. 3 of my 6 products that I got are hair care. Then I have 2 more kind of face care products. Although this is a BB cream, I do consider it more of a skincare versus a makeup item, although I know it's both. And then only one real makeup item in here is this brow pencil. So not my favorite box, but not my favorite subscription. Overall, I find that's where I am with Birchbox. I do like that all of the boxes are themed, and they do have some cool artistry on them. Who else gets Birchbox? Does anyone else get it even? What do you guys think about it? Of course, I went to cancel because I have been not super thrilled with the box. And of course, next month there is a surprise that everyone gets in all of their boxes, and then there's a holiday edition for December. So I am going to go through November, go through December, see what happens, and then probably January I'm going to cancel it. If it's something that you guys really want me to keep, let me know, and I will continue to get it. But if not, I'm absolutely going to cancel it. So let me know. Let me know what your thoughts are on this box and this review. I am so glad that you joined me. Thank you for being here. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.